Rail yards are complex systems with many different track segments. Most yards only have one RFID reader at the entrance and exit. Yards rely on operators to manually enter data into a system to keep track of car movements. If you wanted fully autonomous tracking in real time, you would need RFID readers at every switch. And those require power, networking, and software. Canopy Vision simplifies this with cameras. Using overhead cameras and advanced AI technology, Canopy Vision can track cars across all segments, saving you time and money and providing video data of your yard 24/7. All data is available in a web dashboard, showing you which cars are on which tracks, how long they've been there, and their full history in your yard. Video data is also stored and available to review and download as needed, giving you full visibility and tracking of your rail yard.